Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pause Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. So actually guys, at first you will need to know that Amazon Music does not offer a standard pause subscription option like some other services. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So can you post Amazon Music Unlimited? As I said, no official pause button in most countries. So it's only cancel or change plan. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with an option. So you will need to choose whether you want to cancel the subscription or to change the plan. So the cancellation is the best alternative to pause, okay? So I do really want you to choose the first option, cancellation. So this is basically how you pause it, okay? So you will need just to go with the music.amazon.com and then just click on the profile icon or the profile picture that's located at the top right corner of the website. After that, you will need to go and click on your Amazon Music settings or the second option. Then you will be or we will be forwarded into another tab. So here where you can actually check your subscription on the subscription section, okay? So all you need to do here is to go and tap on a button or an option. It says manage subscription. So once you click it, you will be able to see another option like cancel subscription. So just click on it and then confirm. So what happens then? You keep access until the end of your billing cycle and no charges after that. So you can resubscribe anytime, and this is the closest thing to pausing. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.